In this ukulele tutorial and play along, sing along, we're going to do probably the most requested and maybe famous Christmas song of all time. This one is Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. All right, so welcome to ukelikethepros. I'm Terry Carter. Thanks for being here as another one of our Christmas songs. And if you love Christmas songs, you dig this one and others, I got a bunch of Christmas songs available to you. So I appreciate you being here, checking this out. Also, if you haven't, please subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification. All right, so great Christmas song, Feliz Navidad. You're going to get a little Spanish out of me. Not a lot. I think I can handle this one. But, get a little of my gringo Spanish out of here. But anyway, this is going to be a really fun one. Now, if you want the backing track, wait till you hear the backing track. It is so killer. It's beyond killer. And also the sheet music that you have the lyrics and chords and stuff. We're going to give that to you all for free. We'll put a link to that below. Go get that because it really helps having this stuff with you. Yes, it's going to be on the screen. You're going to see the chord diagrams. You're going to see the measures. You're going to see the cursor moving, all that stuff. We do that for you. We do that for you. So you don't need the sheet music, but trust me, go get it just for the backing track alone. And we'll put that link right below. So we're going to do kind of a simple version. I'm just going to do this very simple lyrics that Jose Feliciano does, which is just the same things over and over again. There's a couple of versions that have like different lyrics for them. We're going to keep it real simple. Real simple for the verses and the choruses. Now, what I've done here is I kept the original key, which Jose does, which is the key of D, okay? So it's going to give you, well, actually only 4 chords. Really, actually only 3, but there's going to be 1 extra chord in there. So you're just going to have to know your D chord, your G chord, your A chord, and then only one time for the chorus part, or I want to wish you a Merry Christmas part, is the B minor chord. All right, now I kept this in the key of D, his original version. And again, wait till you hear the backing track. Now this song is so popular. Usually I just show you a book or two, but this song is so popular. It's actually in all 4 of these Christmas books that I have. But again, these are all available at my store, which is the number 1 store online, store.ukelikethepros.com. It's in this one, the Christmas Ukulele Fake Book. Great book. I love this book, over 250 songs. This is actually one of my favorite books as well. Now, they've updated the version. I forgot to grab this from the shop. They have now a red version, but this one is the ultimate Christmas fake book. This is not for ukulele. This is actually for all instruments. And what I like about this one, it just has great arrangements, but notice there's no chord diagrams. So you can play this on ukulele, or if you're a singer or a piano player or a guitar player. But this is a great book, another great resource. It forces you to know your chords, okay? It's also actually in this book as well. This is the real Christmas fake book. This is kind of more jazzy. Everything's a little bit more jazzy in this one. Again, no ukulele chords or guitar chords, just simply the melody and the chords. And then, of course, it's in the Deli ukulele. Great book, fantastic, and it has Christmas songs in it as well. All right, we're going to use the strum pattern for this, and I'm going to tell you why I chose this key and what key the books are in. We're just going to use the granddaddy strum. Just do this with me, just on a D chord. That's it. Just real simple, real simple. If you don't know the granddaddy strum, it's something you definitely have to know. People might call it the island strum. I call it the granddaddy strum because it's just such an important strum pattern to do. So, all right, and that's it. So down, down, dee, da, dee, 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 dee. That's it. All right, now after each section, which is intro, verse, chorus, verse, chorus, verse. That's our form we're going to do. There's going to be a stop. Okay, so each one is repeated twice, and at the second time, not the first time, the second time, we're going to do the stops. Like, if you're doing the intro here, all right, this is the first time, and dee-da-dee, and Feliz Navidad. All right, and then we're going to have that stop. And all I'm doing for the stop is hitting it and stopping the sound, okay? It's a nice little break. Plus, it's really great for the vocal pickup for this one. All right, now, if you look at these books, which is really unusual, most of the time these books, especially the Daily Ukulele, it's kind of they do somewhat simplified version. They usually do a simpler key. In this case, they do. They do it in a key of G. I want to do the original key of D. Now, what's interesting, though, is that all 4 of these books actually don't even have the correct version that Jose Feliciano original classic version has. It's actually simpler. The actual real version is actually simpler than these books. So again, if you want the chord chart, I'm going to give it to you, the version we're playing right here in the key of D. It's going to match that recording, that famous recording from Jose Feliciano too, okay? All right, click that link below. Go get that in the backing track. All right, that's really it. So let's just go over it a couple of times, and then we're going to do it with the backing track. So that was the intro we just played. When you get to the verse is just very simple. Just G, A, D, da, da, D, and D. And D again. That's it. One more time. D, da, D, da, D, da, D, 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 da, da. Remember, this is the second time. Da, D, da, da, da. Ba, D, da, da, da. Ba, D, da, da, D, da, D, da, D, da, D, 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 da, da. And stop. All right, that's the verse. Now we're going to do the chorus. Let's change it slightly. By the way, when we do the play along, I want you to check out the chords. I'm going to throw a couple fancy things in that I'll talk to you about after it, okay? All right, so the chorus is ah da da dee 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 da dee da. I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. Notice that. It goes, instead of doing the D chord twice, it just goes to B minor. Wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. And stop. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. B minor. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Ba-dee-da-da-da. Then we'll go back to the verse, do the chorus again, and then the outro is just half of the verse, all right? And that's it. All right, so this is going to be a lot of fun. Have a good time with this. Open this one up. Let me hear you sing and let me hear you playing. And by the way, if you dig what I'm doing here, you like my style, you like my teaching stuff, all that stuff, we got fantastic courses, memberships at ukelikethepros.com. We got courses for ukulele, baritone, and guitarlele over there. Plus, we got a fantastic worldwide community. We call that the Uke Like the Pros Nation. Come be a part of it if you're ready to kind of join a fantastic community, really gain confidence, be part of a great, great organization. Check it out, ukelikethepros.com. All right, are you ready? Are you ready? I cannot hear you. Let me hear you. All right, let's do this. Remember, check my chords when I'm doing, and I'll show you what I'm doing right at the end. 1, 2, 3, and... Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Prospero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Prospero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad, prospero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, prospero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. All right, how did you do on that one? Whew, it's so fun to have lyrics that are not that many lyrics. Some of those Christmas songs, like the hippo, I want a hippopotamus for Christmas, so many lyrics. Anyway, I meant to mention this earlier. Did you notice I'm actually playing my Koloha spruce top soprano? It does have a pickup in it. This thing is awesome. It's small, it's easy to play, but with the spruce top, it's got tons and tons of projection. So these also available stored at ukelikethepros.com. So anyway, how killer was that backing track? I mean, Pear knocked it. I mean, he spent a lot of time on it. He's such a perfectionist. He listens to the original and he's got pretty much perfect pitch. So he just listens and gets everything right. So he spends a lot of time on it. And again, you can get that for free. Just click that link below for that backing track, the sheet music, all that stuff that you need to play this particular song. All right, real quick. Remember I was telling you I was doing some kind of chord stuff there. All I'm doing is you don't have to do this. So don't feel like you have to. Keep it real simple, especially if you're a beginner. But on these chords, you can add some various things. So like when we start the verse on a G chord, if you just lift up your middle finger here, you kind of get a cool little, like a sus2 chord, kind of. You can just kind of, it's not really in a particular place. You can just kind of add it. I wasn't really doing anything on the A chord. And then when I got to the D chord, I was adding that sus sound. So D, you can just add that third finger to the second string, third fret, and you get that sus down. So if I play it, just like ba-dee-da-da-da, ba-dee-da-da-dee-da-dee-da-dee-da-dee-dee-da. Now that's pro style right there. You don't have to do that stuff, but it just makes it sound a little cooler if you want to throw it in. So anyway, again, thank you for being here. Thank you for subscribing. Leave a comment below. Do you dig this video? Don't forget to check out the other Christmas videos. And also, don't forget, smash that like button. And yeah, that's going to do it for this one. That's Feliz Navidad. I'm Terry Carter. This is You Like the Pros, and we'll see you next time.